Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. So today's subject is Strength of Material Unit 2 Solution for Problems Part 10. If you want to see the previous video of this subject, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show you the playlist both language Tamil and English, and I also presented all the playlist of the subjects, all the subjects playlist in the I button. Please see, watch all the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Today topic is solution for problems number 5. The question is given. So I will read the question first and then I will explain you. The question is, a rod of hydraulic lift is 1.2 meter long and 32 mm in diameter. It is attached to a plunger of 100 mm in diameter, working under a pressure of 8 Newton per mm square. If the Young's modulus is 2 into 10 to the power of 5, and find the change in length of the rod. This is the question. Now I am going to explain that. So we have a hydraulic lift and the rod is used in the hydraulic lift. The length of the rod is 1.2 mm, 1.2 meter long, and the diameter of the rod is 32 mm diameter, and the plunger is attached to the rod. The diameter of the plunger is 100 mm diameter, and the pressure obtained in the plunger is 8 Newton per mm square, and the Young's modulus of the overall hydraulic lift is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square, and we have to find the value of change in length of the rod. So due to the compression load, so the pressure and the total area of the plunger has to be decrease the length of the rod, compress the rod, and it will change in length. So we have to find that change in length. First I am going to show you how to take the given data from this question. So we will write the given data. First there is the length of the rod L, that is 1.2 meter. We have to convert the 1.2 meter into millimeter. So I substitute the product of 1000. So 1.2 into 1000, that is value of 1200 mm. And then the diameter of the rod, I take it as the small d, that is 32 mm, and the diameter of the plunger I take it as capital D, that is 100 mm, and pressure of the plunger, that is 8 Newton per mm square, and finally we have the value of Young's modulus, that is capital E equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. We have to find the value of change in length of the rod. So change in length of the rod, deflection L, that is del L equal to question mark. Now I am going to explain the solution. So in this solution, first we have to find the change in length of the rod. The formula of change in length of the rod, del L equal to PL by AE. It is derived from the formula of Young's modulus. So the original formula is capital E equal to PL by A del L. So now I am going to convert the del L to the left hand side and the E at the right hand side. So del L equal to PL by AE. This is the formula for change in length. Now we don't know the value of load here, but we have the pressure of the plunger. So by converting it to get the load, we know the value of length, but we don't know the value of area, and we know the value of Young's modulus. Now first I am going to calculate the load of the rod. So the load of the rod, capital P, equal to force on the plunger. The force on the plunger equal to pressure into area of the plunger. The pressure is 8 mm, 8 Newton per mm square, and the area of plunger we don't know, that is capital AP. So now I am going to find the area of the plunger, capital AP, equal to pi by 4 into capital D square, because the diameter of the plunger I mentioned in the given data is capital D. So I use the formula as capital D. So pi by 4 into capital D square. For the capital D, I am going to substitute the value. So pi by 4 into 100 square. The value of area of plunger is 7853.982 mm square. Now I am going to substitute the value of area of plunger in the formula of load. So capital P equal to 8 into AP. Now I am going to substitute the value 8 into 7853.982. The value of load is 62,831.856 Newton. Now the formula we know, deflection formula is PL by AE. We don't know the value of the area of the rod. So the area of the rod, capital A, equal to pi by 4 into small d square, because the diameter of the rod is small d. I mentioned in the given data. So I use the small d here. So pi by 4 into d square. The value of d square is 32. So pi by 4 into 32 square. So we get 804.248 millimeter square. Now I am going to substitute the load value and area value in the formula of deflection. So deflection equal to PL by AE. The load I am going to substitute the values. So 62,831.856 into 1200. It was set in a bracket and divided by another bracket is opened. It was 804.248 area into Young's modulus 2 into 10 to the power of 5. The bracket was closed. Now I am going to calculate the top value and the bottom value, and I will divide the both the value, and I get the answer about 0.469 mm. I didn't mention that mm, so you have to put the value, put the unit of the value, that is mm here, because the every length on change in length have the unit as millimeter. So the deflection value is 0.469 millimeter as we found. And now I am going to write the result. The change in length of the rod deflection, that is del L equal to 0.469 mm. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.